In 1960, in a small town in Michigan, two brothers, Tom and James Monaghan, took a big leap of faith. They scrapped together what little money they had, just $500 for a down payment, and borrowed $900 to take over a struggling pizza joint near Eastern Michigan University. The restaurant wasn't anything special, just a humble shop, and the plan was simple: work hard, split the hours, and build a business. But things didn't go as planned. 8 months in, James realized that the restaurant life wasn't for him. So he made a deal with his brother Tom, his half of the business in exchange for their only delivery car, a beat up Volkswagen Beetle. His half of the business today would be worth close to $500 million. But Tom didn't give up. Instead, he kept on grinding despite the numerous setbacks. He looked at the setbacks as opportunities. His small restaurant, for example, couldn't hold all the people who wanted to eat there. So he decided to focus on delivery, making it the cornerstone of his business. The idea was simple: let the customers stay home and we'll bring the pizza to them, fresh and hot. No need for dining room tables. Tom also knew his market well: college students. Domino stores were strategically placed near universities, and the demand was high, especially from dorms and student apartments. Domino's kept its menu simple: just two types of pizza, no distractions, no complications, just speed and efficiency. His model was all about reducing errors and getting the product to the customers as fast as possible. Tom needed to ensure the pizzas arrived in perfect condition, so he developed the corrugated cardboard box, an industry first, to allow the pizzas to stack efficiently during delivery, keeping them warm and intact. Now, leaders can draw several powerful strategic insights from this story of Domino's that they can apply to their business. First, adapt to your market's needs. Tom Monaghan's success wasn't about making great pizza. It was about understanding what his market wanted. He knew college students were hungry for convenience and speed, not a dine-in experience. Leaders should identify their customers' pain points and unmet needs, and then tailor their products and services to meet those specific demands. 2, innovate with purpose. Domino's just didn't deliver pizza. They revolutionized delivery by introducing innovations like the corrugated box, which ensured product quality on arrival, and the 30-minute delivery guarantee. Leaders should be constantly looking for ways to improve their processes or products in ways that make a real difference to customers. Innovation should serve a clear purpose, enhancing the customer experience or solving a problem. Number 3, keep it simple to ensure excellence. Domino's simplified its menu to 2 types of pizza to streamline its operations and reduce errors. Leaders, look for ways to just focus on a few things that you can do exceptionally well, rather than trying to be everything to everyone. Simplifying your operations allow for mastery, improved efficiency, and fewer mistakes. Number 4, turn constraints into opportunities. The limitations of space in their restaurants could have been a major obstacle, but Domino's turned it into an opportunity by emphasizing delivery. Leaders, learn to reframe limitations not as setbacks, but as creative prompts for new strategies. Constraints can often open the door for innovation and untapped potential. And finally, don't forget about taking bold risks with confidence. That 30-minute delivery guarantee was a bold and risky move, but it paid off in spades by differentiating Domino's from its competitors and building trust with customers.